Good day, McVeigh, and happy Friday. Good morning, boys and girls. Okay, our first project today is by Emmanuel Gomez in our third grade, who did a little project on mythical creatures. So, mythical creatures are creatures that we might read about in fiction books or see movies about that are fiction, but they really didn't exist. That's why they're called mythical. But the manual goes into some of them and describes them. For example, the phoenix. The phoenix is an immortal bird. That means it just lives forever. And it just keeps coming back to life and being born and born and born again. Let's see. In some cultures, long ago, like the Egyptians, they connected the phoenix to the sun. How about the basilisk? So the basilisk comes from Italian culture and also came from mythology, but it was a combination of a serpent, I mean like a snake, and a rooster. Yeah. And then there was the chimera, and that was a combination of a goat, a lion, and a snake also. So imagine this animal that breathes fire. So all of these creatures existed in the imaginations, and then eventually got given names and were part of myths from a very long time ago. So good work, Emmanuel. And then we have All About Me by Emma, who categorized her project so we can see her food, the color, hobby, like arts and crafts. Favorite color is light purple or maybe lavender. Favorite food, pizza. Listen, whenever you get a chance, it's good to write about something. Emma, good work. Now, I wanted to get back to Leah and her cactus project yesterday. What I didn't realize, that somebody pointed out to me, is that check out the outfit. It's cactuses or cacti. Love that. All right. And then finally, we have another project on Ramadan. And so this is from Yaya, and it might be by somebody else, but I can't read it. So there are some cool facts on this report that were not on the last report. So, for example, there are two Eids, Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha. And so the word Eid means a feast or a festival. So Eid al-Fitr marks the end of Ramadan, and in Bangladesh, it lasts for 3 days. And this is what I was speaking about last week. The word that we used was empathetic for our Wordle. And that's why I'm pulling up this fun fact, is during Eid, Muslims give lots of food to the poor. So again, so the fasting comes from understanding how other people feel and then giving. So it leads to generosity. But a lot of the facts here we've learned about, but nonetheless, excellent project. All right, moving on to our mystery number in Wordle. So room 220, Ms. McCready's class got the Wordle. They're confused a little bit still on the mystery number, but maybe today we'll clear that up. But room 220, you are correct. It is one of those two. Okay, so I'm not going to give you any more on the word inside the word, but I am going to give you that T. Okay, that was one of the most common consonants. Now this clue, room 219, you should get this one today. This is the most common consonant. All right, don't forget, these two letters are consecutive. This consonant and this consonant are the same. We have this little word, a bigger word inside this full word. I'll give you one more clue. This letter and this letter are vowels. And they are the same vowel. All right, mystery number, both odd. Both have a silent E. One is a homonym. It was not the largest with a silent E. All right. Now again, my clue yesterday was that starting from the ones, these numbers are go in descending order. So this one is larger than this one. That should be enough of a clue to get this because one of them is a homonym. There's your ones. I'm going to say it again. Listen carefully. Silent E, the smallest of those. One of them is a homonym, descending order from ones to tens. Okay. Now it's time for Money Time on the Day. Let's get a drum roll. Dun, dun, dun. So the Money Time on the Day is, hold on. Here it is. The card. This is by Richard in room 202. And on the back, our flag and, of course, the Mighty Mind symbol. Yep. So we be kind, not just at McVeigh, but everywhere. Yeah, super important. Why? Because you're a mighty mind. Not only that, a mighty kind, mighty minded. Every day, boys and girls, is a great day to get smart and be kind to both each other and the earth. Let's have a wonderful day.